two of the biggest names in crypto exchanges face off. One big question, which platform actually gives you more? On the left, the user-friendly titan, Coinbase. And on the right, the global powerhouse, Binance. We're putting them head-to-head in the categories that matter. Fees, security, features, ease of use, and more. Let's skip the crypto hype and break down what truly counts. Each round means points, and when it's all tallied up, you'll get a clear winner. The winner might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's the plan. We'll compare these giants across fees, supported countries, security, ease of use, advanced features, learning and community, and of course, customer support. Ready? Let's go. Let's kick things off with fees, because honestly, who wants to lose money to trading costs? Okay, so Coinbase keeps things super simple. A flat fee, no hidden surprises. But yeah, there's always a but. Their trading fees are pretty high, like up to 149%. Binance, on the other hand, is famous for crazy low fees, sometimes as low as 0.1%. But here's the catch. Their fee structure is complicated. Like, you need a spreadsheet to figure it out. Oh, and you might pay extra depending on your deposit method. So if super low fees matter to you, Binance wins this round, but clarity is not their strong point. Right. Now let's talk about where you can actually use these platforms. Coinbase is available in over 100 countries and absolutely shines if you're in the US. The downside? Some regions get kind of a stripped down version, like you'll notice fewer features. Binance, this is wild, is accessible all around the globe, but wait, there's a pretty big catch. US users and people in a few other countries face some major restrictions in 2025. So if you're in the States or honestly anywhere with strict regulations, Coinbase is definitely your friend here. On to security, and this is a biggie. Coinbase, full disclosure, is publicly traded and US regulated, and they've got this legit insurance package for your funds. So yeah, their brand trust is sky high. They have had some phishing incidents though, that's more on user error, but still worth mentioning. Binance has solid security protocols and their own staff U insurance fund. But, and this is kind of an eyebrow raise, they've had a couple of security breaches in the past, plus their regulatory situation gets, I don't know, a little murky sometimes. So for peace of mind, Coinbase is the safer bet. Quick pause. Did you know that Binance once processed over $76 billion in trades in a single day? I mean, just let that number sink in for a second. Ease of use is up next. Now, Coinbase is basically made for first-timers, clean app, easy website, and onboarding that pretty much holds your hand through the process. The only real downside? If you want all those flashy trading tools, you might find it a bit basic. Binance, though, it's like a playground for advanced users. Tons of trading options, and you can style your dashboard any way you want. But if you're new, you'll probably feel overwhelmed. So beginners, Coinbase feels like home. Let's talk advanced features, where Binance really flexes. The platform offers futures and margin trading, a launchpad for new crypto, NFTs, DeFi, you name it. It's honestly a powerhouse if you have access. The problem? US residents are sort of left out in the cold. Coinbase has some basic staking, so you can earn a bit on your holdings, but it's, basic. So if you want to go deep into all things crypto, Binance is where it's at. On the learning and community side, Coinbase actually surprises me in a good way. Their educational resources are top-notch, and hey, you can literally earn crypto by taking simple quizzes. How cool is that? The only thing, their community isn't as loud or active. Binance flips that, there's a massive global community, with AMAs, contests, all sorts of chatter. The official learning stuff isn't as organized though. Still, if you just want great resources and a bit of free crypto, Coinbase takes this one. Right. Last but not least, customer support. Coinbase is impressively responsive most of the time, with live chat and a solid help center, occasional email delays, sure, but mostly positive. Binance brags about 24/7 chat and multilingual support. But, fair warning, they get mixed reviews, and some people have trouble getting back into their accounts. For consistency and peace of mind, Coinbase edges it out. If you're a visual learner, here's how they stack up across all our categories. Coinbase is crushing it in security, education, ease of use. Binance dominates in low fees and advanced features. It's definitely not a clean sweep for either side. So, here's where I land. If you're new to crypto, you're based in the US, or you're just super cautious about security, you'll vibe with Coinbase. If you're an active trader looking to dive into every crypto feature imaginable and you want super low fees, Binance is your playground. But all things considered, Coinbase squeaks ahead for most everyday users, especially if you don't want to deal with the learning curve or regulatory headaches. If you found this breakdown helpful, hang around for more crypto insights, tips, and honest comparisons.